Welcome back to our series on network fundamentals for cybersecurity students. Hi again, I'm CyberTutor. In today's video, we're diving into a critical topic for securing networks. Network security protocols. These protocols are the unsung heroes of cybersecurity, playing a vital role in safeguarding data and maintaining the integrity of digital communications. Whether you're new to cybersecurity or looking to deepen your understanding, mastering these protocols is essential. Imagine network security protocols as the gatekeepers of our digital highways. They're the rules and procedures that ensure data is transmitted securely, maintaining its confidentiality, integrity, and authenticity as it travels across the network. One of the most widely recognized security protocols is SSL/TLS, which stands for Secure Sockets Layer and Transport Layer Security. SSL/TLS is crucial for protecting data as it moves through the internet. When you visit a website and see that little padlock icon in the address bar, that's SSL/TLS at work, encrypting the data transmitted between your browser and the web server. So how does this encryption process work? Encryption involves transforming readable data, known as plain text, into an unreadable format called ciphertext. This is done using complex algorithms that scramble the data, making it indecipherable to anyone who doesn't have the correct decryption key. Only authorized recipients who possess the correct decryption keys can convert this ciphertext back into its original, readable form. This process ensures that sensitive information, such as passwords, credit card numbers, and personal details, remains confidential even if it's intercepted during transmission. But encryption is just one part of the puzzle. Authentication protocols are equally important. They verify the identity of users and devices trying to access the network, ensuring that only those who are authorized can enter. This is your first line of defense against unauthorized access. A basic form of authentication is the classic username and password combination. However, to bolster security, many systems now implement two-factor authentication, or 2FA. With 2FA, even if someone manages to steal your password, they still need a second form of verification, like a code sent to your phone to gain access. This additional layer significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access. By understanding and mastering these protocols, you're not just learning the theory, you're actively contributing to the resilience of network defenses. In today's interconnected world, where cyber threats are constantly evolving, implementing robust security measures is more critical than ever. If you found this information valuable, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more insightful cybersecurity content. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of network security step by step. And remember, your questions and comments are always welcome. Let's keep the conversation going in the comments section below. Thanks for watching. Stay informed, stay vigilant, and stay secure.